in the late 1990s, I started doing a lot of drawing, and I would get up in the morning and draw before going to work. And I was sort of exercising the right side of my brain before going and using the left side of my brain for my work. And I was going for a run one day, and I was thinking, if I'm going to spend this much time doing something, I'd rather have the result be a poem than a drawing. So I put the pencils away and I started writing poetry 2004, and wrote some on my own, and then found a local workshop led by a poet named Joan Houlihan, and started participating in those workshops. And one thing I learned from that is that while no one can teach you how to write, a good poet and a good teacher can sort of teach you what is appropriate for a poem and what is not appropriate for a poem. It's more the not how to write, but more the craft of creating a poem that can be learned. And you learn by doing it, and having her say, this works, this does not work. So I wrote poetry for close to 10 years and had a book of poems published in 2013. And then after that, decided to write a novel. And when I began that process, I tried to learn from my poetry experience. I knew that while I know how to write, I was an amateur novelist. And so I found a professional editor and went through 2 or 3 rounds with her, going through the novel and helping me make it better.